Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A. 0, 7. Consider the following expression. A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 1. Question 3. If the determinant of a matrix A is 5, then the determinant of 3A superscript 1 is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B. 0, 2. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is Ace 1. Question 6. The number of integers between 100 and 1000 formed using digits 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition is A. 24. B. 36. C. 48. D. 60. The correct answer is A. 24. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 8. The value of superscript 1 to n1 is A. 100. B. 90. C. 81. D. 121. The correct answer is C. 81. Consider the following expression. A. 3. B. 5. C. 7. D. 9. The correct answer is B. 5. Consider the following expression. A. 0. B. 3. C. 6. D. 9. The correct answer is B. 3. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 12. If the mean of the first n natural numbers is 15, then n is A. 29. B. 30. C. 31. D. 32. The correct answer is B. 30. Question 13. The value of cos 20 degrees, cos 40 degrees, cos 80 degrees is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. D. 1. The correct answer is A. 0. Question 15. The distance between the points 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5, 2 is A. 86. B. 94. C. 102. D. 109. The correct answer is D. 109. Question 16. If the angle between two vectors is 60 degrees and their magnitudes are 3 and 4, then their dot product is A. 6, B. 12, C. 18, D. 24. The correct answer is B. 12. Consider the following expression. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. The correct answer is D. 4. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A. 0. Question 19. The sum of the coefficients of the expansion of x2 is A. 0, B. 1, C. 1, D. 32. The correct answer is D. 32. Question 20. If the probability of an event A is 0.4, then the probability of not A is A. 0.4, B. 0.6, C. 0.5, D. 0.8. The correct answer is B. 0.6. Consider the following expression. 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 The correct answer is C. 3. Consider the following expression. A. 5, B. 6, C. 8, D. 9. The correct answer is B. 6. Consider the following expression. A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, D. 16. The correct answer is B. 6. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 26. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z is A. 10, B. 15, C. 20, D. 35. The correct answer is C. 20. Consider the following expression. A. 0.8, B. 0.9, C. 1.0, D. 0.6. The correct answer is A. 0.8. Consider the following expression. 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 Question 30. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining 1, 3, and 5, 7 are A. 2, 5, B. 3, 5, C. 4, 6, D. 5, 7. The correct answer is B. 3, 5. Question 31. The value of I is Ace 1, B. I C 1, D. I. The correct answer is B. I. Question 32. If a vector has magnitude 5 and makes an angle of 60 degrees with x-axis, then its x-component is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 33. The equation of the circle with center 2, 3 and radius 4 is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 34. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is n superscript 2, then the nth term is A. 2n1, B. 2n plus 1, C. n superscript 2, D. n. The correct answer is A. 2n1. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 36. The angle between the vectors I plus j and ij is A. 0 degrees, B. 45 degrees, C. 90 degrees, D. 180 degrees. The correct answer is C. 90 degrees. Question 37. The mean deviation from the mean is minimum for A. Mean, B. Median, C. Mode, D. Range. The correct answer is B. Median. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 39. The number of subsets of a set with 5 elements is A. 5, B. 10, C. 16, D. 32. The correct answer is D. 32. Consider the following expression. A. 0, B. 1, C. E. D. 1. The correct answer is B. 1. Question 41. The value of C. 7, 2 is A. 14, B. 21, C. 28, D. 42. The correct answer is B. 21. Question 42. The locus of a point equidistant from the points 2, 0 and 2, 0 is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B. Y-axis. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is CE. Question 44. If a matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns, then the total number of elements is A5, B6, C9, D12. The correct answer is B6. Question 45. The equation representing a pair of straight lines through the origin is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 46. The sum of the angles of a triangle in spherical geometry is A. 180 degrees, B. less than 180 degrees, C. greater than 180 degrees, D. 360 degrees. The correct answer is C. greater than 180 degrees. Question 47. The minimum value of x superscript 2 plus 4x plus 7 is A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 7. The correct answer is A. 3. Question 48. If a line makes angles alpha, beta, gamma with x, y, z axis respectively, then cos superscript 2 alpha plus cos superscript 2 beta plus cos superscript 2 gamma equals A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3. The correct answer is B1. Consider the following expression. A. even, B. odd, C. neither, D. periodic. The correct answer is B. odd. Question 50. The value of tan superscript 1 plus tan superscript 2 plus tan superscript 3 is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Ace 1, B 1, C P D 0. The correct answer is Ace 1. Question 52. The number of diagonals in a polygon with 10 sides is A. 35, B. 40, C. 45, D. 50. The correct answer is C. 45. Consider the following expression. A. 9, B. 27, C. 64, D. 512. The correct answer is D. 512.